Today we are going to make a taco salad, and my helper is Jackson. He is my oldest, and tacos are your favorite. Tacos are his favorite. So whenever I ask, what do you want to have for lunch or for dinner, he usually will say tacos. But me trying to be healthy and watch my carb intake, I opt for a taco salad. So today we had tacos for lunch, and we're going to assemble my taco salad. So what we're gonna do first is we have my bowl of greens. This is just green leaf lettuce. Yes, what would you like to say?
I'm excited to be in the video.
And Jackson's very excited to help out today. Okay, so we have our greens. Next, Jackson, we have some corn. So dump the corn in there, please.
Okay.
And I just I just defrosted some frozen corn.
A little bit got on the cutting board.
That's okay. Next, I have some black beans. With black beans, you want to make sure that you strain them and rinse them whenever you open up a can of black beans. So go ahead and put some of those in. How about we shake it out and we'll see if I want all of them. Keep going. Don't be so conservative. Okay, just dump them all in there. Thank you so much. Okay. Next, we have one Roma tomato that I have chopped. And one small avocado that I have also cut up.
I don't like cheese.
Jackson does not like cheese or avocado or beans.
Yeah.
So his taco usually
or corn.
So his taco usually consists of taco meat, lettuce, tomato,
mild sauce,
and mild sauce.
From
Okay.
Taco Bell.
Okay. So we have our veggies in there. Next, we're gonna put the cheese in there. I have just some shredded cheddar cheese. And of course our taco meat. It wouldn't be a taco salad if we didn't have taco meat. Okay, so taco meat goes in. Now again, to symbolize a taco, we have to have a crunch factor in there. So I'm gonna crunch up some blue corn chips.
I like crushing things.
Okay, go ahead and crush them up. That's a big salad. Okay, so the blue corn chips are gluten-free, so my salad is nice and healthy still. Again, these are not going to add that much of a carb count, so I feel pretty good adding those. Now today when I made tacos, I did not have any pre-packaged taco seasoning. And so typically when that happens, I just kind of put some seasonings in there to make my own. I think to myself when I'm doing it, it would be smart if I did a whole batch, so I had some for later. But I never tend to do that, nor do I stock up on taco seasoning as my husband usually suggests. So I add these things. I usually add some kosher salt, a little bit of cumin, just a little bit, onion powder, oregano, garlic powder, paprika, black pepper, and I have this really yummy, this is a jalapeno puree that I got from my Misfits marketplace, and it's delicious. And so I tend to add this whenever I want something a little bit spicy, but I'm not having to cut up a jalapeno. So I did add a little bit of this today into our taco meat. And so we'll see if Jackson thinks it's too spicy. I think he'll be all right. And so our salad is now complete. As you can see, it's covered in lots of delicious toppings. Now, dressing, I am probably just gonna do a drizzle of olive oil and some fresh lime juice with a little bit of salt. If you had a Southwest salad dressing, that would be good on this too. Or sometimes, I'll take ranch and I will stir in some taco seasoning to make my own taco salad, or taco dressing, I should say. So that is the salad I'm gonna have today while Jackson has his taco for lunch. Thank you, Jackson, for helping out today. Always nice to have you. Anything else you want to add?
Last time my mom made a sub salad with my sister, and this is kind of related to it because they're both based on foods that are my favorites.
Very true. Subs are your favorite. So 2 days in a row, we made things that are your favorite. That's very true. All right. Thank you, guys. Have a great day. Enjoy.
Bye.